I'm Jeffrey Jones. My project is the 3D pinball machine. I'm an electrical engineering major. The goal of our project was to design a 3D pinball cabinet that would replace all the mechanical ones. It was designed to handle as many pinball games as you can put on the hard drive. Ours can hold like 80 to 100. With that in mind, we had to design a case to look as realistic as a pinball cabinet as possible with all the user inputs. There are 11 buttons, 4 for flippers, an extra ball, the launch lever, a couple control buttons for start and exit, and then the extra ball button, because we had to take into account every possible arcade cabinet there is.
Also, the user can look at different information about the table, whether it's modeled after a Bally table or a Williams table or a Stern table, which are the different types of manufacturers that produce the table. So it's a short loading screen, which loads all the 3D imaging and processing. And currently inside we have a computer that has a really powerful graphics card. It's a Radeon R9 270X graphics card, and it actually has 4 gigabytes of GDDR5, which to a general consumer, most graphics cards have less than a gig. So it's 4 times that just for the 3D imaging. So as you can see, there's the 360 Connect camera, which is right above the high score dot matrix display and below the Tron Legacy backgrounds. And it's tracking me in 3D space so that the pinball table itself is interactive with the user. It runs at approximately 30 frames per second, which is pretty quick considering the 3D imaging that's involved. And our target goal was only 20 frames per second, so we beat it by about 10. I found that this project really pushed me to become a real engineer, I would say. It's really the first project that I could say that is really marketable that I've done, which is really nice. It's the first project that I've done that required to push my limits in a lot of ways. I also learned that coding is difficult and there's a lot of bugs. And you might think that this project is done, but this project will always have something to do. And it's really cool because it just proves that in our field, you can just always keep on pushing the bounds.